We're actually a custom development team, and we work in online shopping industry for quite a while. We have clients, cashback clients, like over a dozen of those. I think we've done online shopping browser extensions, including mobile apps as well. And the thing that I started noticing at a certain point, when we're getting on a call with the lead, everyone's interested in like applying coupon codes automatically. That's like one of the biggest and most complex features on the market. And when we are revealing to a client, to a potential client, what it will take to build it, it's not only that, it's not only building a thing, and then what's most important, you have to support automatic coupons applying every month so that every cart is still actual, like the store can update it, change the layout, and the entire thing needs to be updated then. When I'm revealing that information, that it's not only building it, which will take X amount of effort, then you have to put almost the same effort every month to keep a lot of websites updated. Most of the clients are getting shocked or confused about that. They didn't even realize sometimes that that's the case, and they were thinking, they were trying to fit in their budgets, that they can't justify the expense to the immediate business results. So most of them just thinking, postponing, stuff like that. But what we've picked from our side is like, we have quite a few clients with very similar requests, that automatic coupons applying, how to process those checkout pages. And we decided, what if we present a product to the market that will do that as SaaS? So instead of building that every time for every single client, which is actually not a fun thing to do, you know, when we're building exactly the same thing for the next client, not too much fun in that too. What if we present a SaaS solution that is doing just that, applies those coupon codes automatically on the websites across the market for our clients? And we've built a thing, it's called SmartShopping. It applies those coupon codes, it sits in your browser extension, and it's doing the heavy lifting for you there. For the client, it's just a subscription. They don't need to worry about building a thing. They subscribe to SmartShopping service and they're getting the solution right off the bat, so it's zero upfront cost for them. And then they just getting paid monthly for us to be able to support it. Well, but the product idea is, what if we build the thing once, but on a much better level than every single of those clients would do? Everyone has their own budget to maintain, right? And we have experience building this thing already. So we decided we better build a thing on much better level than every single client would be able to afford, and sell it to those 10 clients instead. So that we have a bit more resource, we have much more resource, and we can justify the effort. And the thing that we have and we give it to our clients can be built on much more better level. When you think about introducing features to your product, first of all, you need to think about what value you're gonna bring to the table, what your user is gonna be using, what's that they're gonna be using, and what business value you're trying to achieve with the feature. Basically, that's the only important thing to think about when you are thinking about adding features in your already existing product. What SmartShopping does, it integrates in your browser extension or in your shopping mobile app and introduces that coupon auto-apply feature. It recognizes checkout page, applies coupon codes automatically behind the scenes so that it looks like it's your mobile app is doing this. It's already proven on the market that users want that feature to be there. Sometimes, and we've seen that, shoppers leaving negative reviews for browser extension if there's no coupon getting applied automatically. It's kind of become a new industry standard nowadays. And that's what we're doing. We are an agile-minded team. We use agile methodologies for all our clients, as well as when we're building our own products. It's actually pretty beneficial so that we can change direction every sprint. We can introduce new features to the market. When we have SmartShopping and we were working on that, it was the case when we realized some features need to have different priorities, so we were able to just change the direction pretty quickly. I think it's like an industry standard now when you're building products and you're also getting market feedback at the same time to use agile methodologies so that you can react on that and do something else, what's more important at this certain time. So I can tell you a story how we were planning to get our first clients for SmartShopping, even before starting building it. I actually got on a call with all of our key online shopping clients that we were building browser extensions for, or supporting them on production, or building their online shopping apps, mobile apps. I got on a call with almost every single key client that we had, and I talked about SmartShopping idea with them. Well, I didn't know it's going to be SmartShopping, but I told them, you guys were interested in automatic coupons applying. What if we introduce the product that's going to be doing that for you behind the scenes in your browser extension, so that you don't need to pay us or have some dedicated person sitting there and supporting that every month? And the instant reaction I was getting from every single of those is just shut up and take my money. So that's how I kind of verified that the product idea of SmartShopping is legit, right? So that it's useful. And with that in mind, we went to the drawing board and we were putting the product together. We were thinking about our clients, about the big clients that we have, when we were designing SmartShopping. Long story short, when we got back to them with beta version for the first time, every single client had some kind of excuse, or they had to postpone the decision, or some strategy changes, or something else going on right now. So we were unable to subscribe any of our ongoing clients to that instantly. That was quite a disappointment for me, but well, that happens. So what we did, we just had a little marketing campaign with just first 100 emails of potential target audience for SmartShopping. And it was just super simple, plain text email. What I did, I just told them, like, hey guys, we've built the thing, that's SaaS, that applies coupons automatically, you don't need to worry about support, and the thing already works like from the day one after the integration. And we've got like 3 or 4 demos there from that 100 emails. It was pretty meaningful, quite a few meaningful conversations from that. And we've got the first client right from that too. So these guys grew like 4 times since then, and they're for more than 2 years using SmartShopping for automatic coupons applying. So that's how it actually went originally. Well, the only reason to build something is for users to use it, to enhance their experience and find the business goal in it. I believe that every single feature is supposed to be enhancing users' lives, and that's what we're chasing basically. But with that in mind, you also have to keep in mind your product goals. Like, you have to have business goals achieved by rolling out features. You need to have that ROI in place every time. And that's basically what product managers do. They merge the business goals with user goals and put them together in designing features and rolling out with tech team to the market. And then they test, look back, and do it again. So SmartShopping is SaaS solution. You subscribe and you get what it does instantly. If we're talking about complex features for online shopping, like automatic coupons applying, for instance, you have to devote certain resource to build it in the first place, which is usually, 2 to 3 months with a couple of developers that know what they're doing. And when it's out, you need to have someone sitting there and supporting stores that you have. And if you have like more than 100 stores, more than 300 stores, it usually gets down to having an entire team sitting and supporting that, because every single day you have different stores changing the thing, changing checkout page, running A/B tests. Like Amazon runs like dozen A/B tests every single day during the checkout process. Your team will have to sit there and support merchants every single day. When you compare that effort, initial one, and ongoing support one with SaaS solution, is that when you're subscribing to a SaaS solution, you're getting a package that you integrate in your existing browser extension or shopping mobile app, and it just starts working instantly. So after the integration, it's usually like up to a week of effort, including custom designs. Or with the standard design, it could be just done in a couple of days. You're getting that automatic coupons applying working on production instantly. You're reaping the fruit of the feature within a 1 week time. And then when it goes down to supporting the things, it's totally outsourced. It's what we're doing here. We are running our own team and we support that for all the clients we have. So we focus on that much more resource than any single client would do in-house. What I like about SmartShopping is that that's a standalone SaaS product that we are running. I'm always saying how I'm excited in building products for our clients. And SmartShopping is actually our own product that we're building in-house. It works as a good showcase and it kind of proves my words that I am personally excited in building products. We're even building our own product. You can take a look at how it works. You can see how it looks. You can speak to me running your own business. You can speak to me as a product owner and running my own product as well. So we're speaking the same language with every single client that we're getting. We're using SmartShopping as a showcase as well. That's, I guess, the synergy in that. If we're speaking technically, what I like about SmartShopping is that we as a tech team, we're also getting excited in building complex solutions, right? And when we're providing professional services and we have like 10 clients requesting automatic coupons applying, I can tell you right off the bat, it's not exciting to build the same thing 10 times for every different client. What's more exciting is to build a thing once, which 10 times better. It's much more complex task to do. And that's what gets the tech team more excited as well. So in SmartShopping, instead of just sitting and manually supporting the stores, we're utilizing AI solution to recognize the checkout pages. We have a robot that goes across the web and parses and helps us support checkout pages for thousands of stores. We support not just a few hundred, we support multiple thousands of stores for coupons auto-apply. All that was only possible because we were excited about the thing that we're doing and we were trying to build it on much better level than any single client can afford to build. And I guess that's what I like about SmartShopping. So let's talk a little bit about the flow of average shopper with the browser extension. What happens is when a user just Googles for a product or goes directly to the merchant or goes through the Cashback website for a merchant that they love, they fill in the cart and it usually takes a lot of time. Obviously, when they land on the merchant, we would activate the cashback this way or another, either with the Cashback extension or they just landed there right from the Cashback website. That's all good. Now, they spend a few hours filling in the cart. Most of the times it takes time. No one knows exactly what they want from the beginning. Or they commute from home to work or vice versa. And then they open the browser again with the same session. They're trying to complete the purchase. And when a user gets to the checkout page and made a purchase, no one can tell you that your affiliate link is still in place. It's still valid or it's already outdated. And that's exactly where cashback companies are missing out. They did a great job, brought a client with affiliate link to a merchant, and then they just sit there and hope for the best. They hope that that will end up with the purchase, and hopefully in timely manner, so that the link is not outdated. We noticed that it's sometimes more than 40% drop in the last click versus original activation. Sometimes it's even more than that. How modern cashback companies fix that? They implement advanced features like automatic coupons applying. What it does, it recognizes the checkout page when users not just browsing the merchant, but when they're going to the checkout page, when they're ready to buy their product. And that's where they offer automatic coupons applying. And when user agrees to that, they re-engage their affiliate activation here as well. What we can do in SmartShopping, we can recognize thousands of checkout pages, and when user is there, we can double check what's happening with activation. If it's outdated, we can warn user about that so that they can re-engage the activation link and still get your commission. You don't even need to have a lot of coupons to do that. What you need is engage SmartShopping in the basic plan so that we help you recognize when user is not just landing on a merchant, but it's already on checkout page. And when they are there, we can double check their activation. Partnership teams in cashback companies usually getting over the relationship with shops and introduce how they can bring more shoppers to their checkout pages. If you have a strong solution that you will pick up coupon codes and apply them, that's how users getting more excited and stick to your website, to your online shop. Basically, users would prefer shopping with a cashback company with coupons auto apply rather than just a basic cashback company that offers activate cashback from the website and that's it. Or basic extension where it just activates and nothing else. If you have that in place, you can also negotiate good and dedicated or specific coupon codes specifically for your cashback company. They will give you coupon codes that will be applied automatically on checkout pages, and that's how you help them get more sales. In SmartShopping, we focused on supporting as many stores as possible. Currently, we support a few thousand custom stores and also over a dozen of shopping platforms, like Shopify would be one of those, WooCommerce, over a dozen of different ones. What we do, we make sure that all the platforms are covered, then every single store using the same platform like Shopify store will be also covered by coupons auto apply. So SmartShopping applies coupon codes on all those thousands of stores that's running on Shopify, on WooCommerce, and all other platforms. Not just that, the biggest stores are usually custom. So SmartShopping supports a few thousand custom online shops on top of that. It's very important to support a lot of stores. That's how our clients, cashback companies, getting most value out of it. Currently, we provide all available stores to our clients, but maybe in some time we will start putting them in fractions and provide like based on the region when it's getting to a certain point. You as a SmartShopping client can always rely on us, on our expertise in building online shopping solutions for your own product as well. If you're using SmartShopping, we have some statistics in place based on how often SmartShopping tool is used in your browser extension or the mobile app. We can give you some extra insights. We have a pretty big dashboard available for our clients, just free of charge, and we also help them interpret what's going on with the coupon auto apply feature. We can highlight the points where something's wrong with conversion that probably means that you need to do some adjustments in design, or something wrong here with conversion, probably you need to work out more coupon codes with your shops, with partners of yours. We usually review analytics, what's going on with SmartShopping within our clients' browser apps or mobile apps, and we follow up with some insights that we see back to them so that they can keep enhancing their product. Because if you have a lot of SmartShopping usage, you're obviously interested in keep using SmartShopping, and that's also our goal, right? So you can utilize our expertise in building similar things, not just coupon auto apply wise or just what SmartShopping is doing, but in general for the entire mobile application or shopping browser extension. Well, one of our clients, they're one of the biggest online shopping communities in Australia called cashrewards.com.au. And back in the days, they approached me and asked if we can support their browser extension. They got that browser extension originally built by some other team of developers. They told me some funny stories that sometimes they were unable to understand the project manager assigned to their project on the call, which was pretty confusing for me. Their marketing director told me that he wants to push the browser extension to the market, but he can't do that if the product is not good enough. And he knew my approach. We knew each other for a while. He asked me if we can do a better job. Since when we took it over, I think it's been more than 7 years now when we took the project. It was reworked a couple of times, and we had to do architectural and technology changes over the course of these 7 years. We dedicate part of our team every month to support Cash Rewards. I think they've grown like 5 times since then, and their reviews, stars that they have at the web store also increased since then. The solution now is much more solid thing, and yeah, The funny part about this project is since we worked with them for that long, their teams were changing internally multiple times. And it's not like when you introduce your new contractor to your in-house team, it's actually us as a contractor. They were introducing their new internal team to us as a contractor for the browser extension. That was quite a funny experience. And I was sitting there I was running that project myself as a manager, and I was welcoming their in-house team, new team members to the team to work on the browser extension. And that was quite a funny experience. They are still with us. We keep supporting Cash Rewards now. We've rolled out mobile Safari for them. We help them address different questions all around browser extension. And yeah, we dedicate the team for them every month since then.